Yo people, welcome back to another video. First things first, I want to say a massive thank you to everyone that likes, comments, shares and subscribes to this channel. Anyone that follows me on any other social media as well, I want to say a big thank you to you. Anyone that hypes up the video, big up you as well. I'm going to keep intro short and sweet. Just come for a little, I didn't expect that drop. Just come for a bit of a walkabout in Bradford. I don't know how long I'll be out, but we'll go see what we see anyway. It's windy today. I hope you can't hear it too bad. My leg's feeling better, for anyone that's wondering. Don't feel like I've pulled it anymore, to be honest. A couple of days and it's back fighting fit. Let's go. Yeah, might have to do some stretches. Some of these. Ooh. See that? We're not gonna pull no muscles today, mate. CSI going down there. I wonder where they're going to. CSI. CSI have turned up here. No idea what's going on. Let's go take a look. Must be inside the building because the pathway outside isn't blocked off. CSI has just turned up. Just gonna stick around and see what building they're going. He's got a toolbox, a backpack, and a lockbox. I'm gonna see which building they're going. It's probably going to be this marble doorway, I'd say. Oh no, maybe not. Are they going down the stairs? Is that me alright, bro? Yeah, I'm just seeing what these are doing. Crime scene investigation, isn't it? Where is it? Down here, by the look of it. Yeah, no worries, bro. Just chilling, mate. Just thought I'd come back in Brav. I've only just been allowed back in, haven't I? Second time I've been back in since court. So chilling, man. What's your name anyway, bro?
Craig, I talked to you all the time.
Is it? Oh, yeah, man.
Dawson.
Nice to meet you, bro.
See you in Dawson, innit?
Yeah.
I always watch you.
Oh, well, I don't think we can go much further than this. Looks like they're going in back end of the building.
What's going on in there?
Nothing for you guys to be nosy.
That's why I don't even ask. I've been told that so many times, I don't even ask anymore.
Let us know what's going on at least.
Nah, they never do.
Not sure, like he looks injured. He's
Oh,
bleeding
dear.
from his
That's nice of you though, to
so
try and help
I'm
it
not sure
out.
what to do with him.
I'm not sure if RSPCA deal with pigeons.
I don't know.
Because obviously
Yeah, they've got.
the classimers
You
are
want to be
firm,
careful though, without gloves on.
They might have fleas and
Don't
stuff.
have gloves with me, so just found him here.
Oh.
She's found a bleeding
Look at all
pigeon.
his mates waiting.
Yeah, they all like, what's going on here? Nah, but that's a really nice thing you're doing
Yeah, that
there.
is lovely.
Nah, they're just council wardens, aren't they? By the look of it. I don't know what they're doing. They're having a discussion. Oh,
YouTubers coming.
there we go, a scene camera, they're off.
Yeah,
He definitely just looked at camera then and just gnashed.
Oh look, there's a YouTuber, let's go.
I bought some.
Change the 2026 to, change the 2025 to a 2026.
They've welded that bit on there, look.
I thought this, so this used to be the 5, yeah? And they've cut it off and welded it back together. It's hard to see because of the sun and you can tell at the top.
Bradford Council here.
Like the top's not straight, like, put that in there. I mean, fair enough, I wouldn't want them wasting money on a new fucking number entirely.
And they
But,
can just bodge it.
yo! Quiet on a Monday at 5 o'clock. They're nice dogs. There's an ambulance over there, pulling up, maybe to court. Yeah, it's pulled up right outside court building. So I can see a paramedic going up the stairs now. Don't know if you can make that out. Going up. Just coming back down now. Okay, they're off, I guess. Oh, she's running around with it. So it's round back of court, maybe. What's going on down here? It's going inside the building. Yeah, we're not going to see much more now then. Let's go inside.
Is that going on TikTok, man?
YouTube. Just Jux. Yeah, man. All seems quiet in Bradford so far. Been here a little while now. I've heard that that bald guy, that ginger bald guy from my previous video who got accused of stealing a phone or something. I've heard that he's hanging around town. And from what I can see, every time he's in town, there's some content. Looks like this ambulance has come back out. Doesn't seem to be in a rush to go nowhere though. There's no stopping it from leaving unless there's still a patient to put in the back. Alhambra. Famous theatre that. What's going on down here then? So this building here is where the crossbow cannibal lived when he were here in Bradford. Stephen Griffiths. He was 40-year-old when he got sentenced. He got sentenced to the murders of 2 people, but he told the police that he's killed loads, and he admitted to 3, I think. But yeah, one of the murders actually happened inside this building, upstairs on the 2nd floor, I think it is. And it was captured on CCTV. And this one that was captured on CCTV was actually done using a crossbow, hence the name. So yeah. He used a crossbow for at least that one murder, and no one knew about, well, they found evidence like on his stove, I think, and on some of his utensils of human flesh, but it was actually himself that called himself the crossbow cannibal. In the courtroom, they asked him what his name was, and apparently he shouted out, "Call me the crossbow cannibal." Yeah, he lived in this building here. It goes round that way as well, and there's like a courtyard in the middle there. We actually got to have a look around one time. Some residents who lived there, probably still live there, showed us around and showed us the actual corridor where it happened, and we saw the CCTV camera which caught it. We saw the door of the room that he lived in. It was quite surreal to be there, to be honest. Yeah, I'll put a little clip of that video in here, and if you're interested, go watch that video.
I moved in, I found 10 knickers in my loft. And that's where the Crossbow Cannibal lived. And the last girl that he killed was actually one of my friends. Basically, this is the corridor.
Yeah, he came from out of this door up here and chased her down here, right?
Yeah, and this is where he lived. I felt nothing but coldness. He'd been researching, is it the cannibal?
Yeah.
Documentaries, and he was studying all criminology.
And there's also a really good documentary about Stephen Griffiths, and it's just called The Crossbow Cannibal. I think it's on like either Amazon Prime or Netflix or something. So if you want all the details of exactly what happened, then you'll be best off going to watch that documentary and reading up online, because I don't know everything. I just know a few bits about it, you know. Arsenal Market. Could film a zombie movie in here, man. I wonder when they're gonna knock it down. There's plans to make some sort of, I don't know, they're calling it the City Village. I don't know if that means houses, student accommodation or what. I guess we'll see in months to come. Yeah, these through the week videos when I'm coming to Bradford City Centre. I won't be out too late. I want to be getting home, getting the edit done, getting the video out. And then once I've got the video out, I want to be going live and stuff some nights, maybe not every night, doing a bit of gaming, just talking shit with you guys, getting to know each other better and that. And we'll do some reactions to maybe other people's videos and nightlife and stuff. And we'll get Dutz and Dawson and that involved with live streams as well, because we've been talking about it off camera. Dutz just needs to get a better PC. But yeah, for now it's just me. If you do want to come over and see me live stream, you can watch me either on YouTube or Twitch. I don't really have a schedule, so I can't tell you when, but usually later on in the day, night time, UK time. Really quiet in Bradford City Centre today, but it is what it is, man. Alright, bro, when's it closing?
18th of June.
What?
18th of June.
18th of June, it's shut forever. 18th of June, Kergate shuts. All buildings are getting emptied around it, so won't be long before this gets knocked down as well. Looks like they're going to be rebuilding the whole of Bradford, or top end of Bradford. I think it's safe to say Bradford City Centre as a place to come shopping or anything of the sort, it's pretty dead. There's nothing here to come for really. Yeah, I think I'm going to go home soon and go live instead for a bit. Right people, that is going to be the end of this video. I appreciate everyone for being here, everyone that's liked, comment, shared and subscribed. Like I said, these videos are going to be a bit shorter, probably a little less action going on if you want to call it that, but we'll be bringing you content pretty regular now that we're allowed back in Bradford. Darkness. But yeah, I appreciate everyone that's been here. Much love to you all. Thank you and goodbye.